Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in ActiveCampaign. So number one, click on Settings located on the left menu, select Advanced, and click Setup Manually option. Enter your domain name and click on Continue. Verify your email address and click on the Setup DNS Records button. And you'll be provided with 3 CNAME DNS records for DKIM and SPF. Copy the provided DKIM and SPF records and publish them in your DNS. If your DNS is Cloudflare, please make sure to switch off the proxy status. Once the records are published, go back to your ActiveCampaign account and click on the Check DNS button. If you have correctly published the records, you will see the domain is showing authenticated. And finally, finish the process by clicking on the Save Settings button. That's it. Thanks for watching.